Newtek Business Services Corporation officially completed its acquisition of the National Bank of New York City on January 6, 2023. This milestone transaction marked a massive corporate pivot for the organization, allowing it to transition away from its previous structure as a business development company and successfully convert into a financial holding company. Following the completion of the deal, the acquired institution was officially renamed Newtek Bank, National Association, establishing it as a wholly owned subsidiary of the parent company. The roots of this transformative acquisition stretch back to August 2021, when a definitive stock purchase agreement was originally signed between Newtek and the shareholders of the National Bank of New York City. Operating for decades as a nationally chartered institution regulated by the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, the National Bank of New York City provided a strategic platform for Newtek to execute its long-term vision. Leadership under Chief Executive Officer Barry Sloan recognized that operating under the constraints of a business development company limited the firm's flexibility in serving independent business owners. Securing a dedicated banking charter through this acquisition eliminated those regulatory boundaries and opened up new avenues for growth. Upon finalizing the transaction in early January 2023, Newtek wasted no time in reshaping its corporate identity to reflect its new capabilities. Within weeks of the bank acquisition, the parent organization changed its name from Newtek Business Services Corporation to NewtekOne Incorporated, signaling to the market that it intended to function as an all-in-one financial solutions provider. The integration allowed the company to bundle traditional depository functions, electronic payment processing, lending services, payroll, and insurance into a unified digital ecosystem known as the Newtek Advantage. The financial mechanics behind the acquisition involved a cash purchase price of $20 million for the outstanding stock of the bank, alongside substantial capital contributions and portfolio integrations to ensure the newly formed subsidiary met all rigorous federal standards. By shifting into a bank holding company structure supervised by the Federal Reserve, Newtek fundamentally altered its operating model to reduce risk, enhance core retail deposits, and expand its footprint in the commercial banking sector. This strategic evolution stands out as a defining corporate maneuver in the fintech and banking landscape, reshaping how a non-bank financial services provider successfully evolved into a regulated national digital banking institution.